Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer SharePoint libraries with ShareGate for Microsoft 365, complete guide step by step clearly. Open ShareGate and log in to your Microsoft 365 account. From the main dashboard, select the migration option. In the migration section, click on Start a new migration. Choose SharePoint as the source and destination type. Enter the URL of the source SharePoint library you wish to transfer. If prompted, authenticate your access by providing the necessary credentials. Next, select the destination where you want to transfer the library. Input the URL for the destination SharePoint site. After confirming your source and destination URLs, click on Next. ShareGate will now display a summary of your migration settings. Review the settings to ensure they reflect your desired transfer criteria. If everything looks correct, proceed by clicking on Next again. In the next window, you will configure advanced options if needed. These options may include migrating permissions, metadata, and version history. Once you've set the preferences, click Next to continue. The migration analysis will begin, identifying any potential issues. Wait for the analysis to complete, reviewing any warnings or errors. If there are no significant issues, click Start Migration to begin the transfer. Monitor the progress displayed in the migration dashboard. Once the transfer completes, you will receive a summary report. Review the report to confirm that all items were migrated successfully. If you encounter any errors, refer to ShareGate's documentation for troubleshooting steps. After verifying the migration, open your destination library in SharePoint to check the contents. Ensure that all files, folders, and permissions appear as expected. And that concludes your guide on transferring SharePoint libraries with ShareGate for Microsoft 365. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.